Hello everyone, my name is Marcelino Eugene Christian Baskoro, but you can call me Marcel or Eugene. And my study ID number is 25 14 500 19. I am 90 years old and I come from Malang, East Java. Right now, I'm studying at Polytechnic Energy and Mineral Akamigas, and I live in the campus dormitory. Living in a dormitory is a very different experience compared to living at home. It has changed my daily life in many ways, especially in terms of discipline, independence, and responsibility. Through this video, I would like to share a full picture of a day in my life as a dormitory student. My day usually starts very early, around like 5 a.m. at that time. The dormitory is still quiet and calm. Most people are still sleeping, and the atmosphere feels peaceful. When I wake up, I take a deep breath and slowly prepare myself for a day ahead. The fresh morning air really helps me feel like more awake and energized. After that, I make my bed tidy and my room. Even though it seems like a small and simple routine, keeping my room clean helps me start the day with a clear mind and better focus. Living in the dormitory has taught me that discipline starts from small habits, making my bed, organizing my belongings, and managing my time properly are there things that I practice every day. These habits slowly shape my character and helps me become more responsible. I believe that how we start our morning can affect how the rest of the day goes. At around 6 a.m., I go to dining area to have breakfast with my friends. Breakfast time is one of the moments I really enjoy it. We sit together, eat, talk, and sometimes joke around. It may look simple, but this moment is very meaningful for me because it builds strong sense togetherness. Living far from family can sometimes feel lonely, but having friends at dormitory around make everything feel like easier. The dormitory slowly becomes like a second home. After breakfast, I start preparing myself for a class. At around 7:30 a.m., I take a shower, get dressed neatly, and check my bag to make sure all my books and study equipment are ready. As a student at Polytechnic Energy Mineral and Akamigas, punctuality and discipline are very important for me. I always try to be on time and ready for every lecture. In the morning, I attend my classes and focus on understanding the material, explain the lectures. Studying in energy and mineral field is not always easy. There are many theories, calculation, and technical concepts that require full concentration. Sometimes the lessons feel challenging, but I enjoy learning the process. I believe that challenges are part of growth and they motivate me to keep improving myself. During lectures, I try to listen carefully, take notes, and actively participate when there is a discussion. Being active in class helps me understand the material better. Even when I feel tired, I remind myself of my goal and reason why I choose in the field of study. Education an important investment for my future. At around 11:30 a.m., it's time to lunch break. I usually go back to dormitory to have lunch and rest for a while. After spending 4 hours studying and attending lectures, these breaks feel important, very important. Sometimes I eat lunch while chatting with my friends, and sometimes I prefer to eat quietly and relax. These short reps helps me regain energy before continuing my activities in this afternoon. After the lunch, I usually take some time to relax. I might scroll my phone, listen to music, or simply lie down and rest my body. These moments helps me refresh my mind so I don't feel too exhausted. Managing energy is just as important as managing time, especially when living a busy student life. In the early afternoon, I continue with my academic activities or prepare for upcoming lessons. Sometimes there are additional classes, group discussions, or independent study sessions at around 2:30 p.m. I return to the dormitory after finishing my afternoon schedule. When I get back, I usually organize my notes, clean my room a bit, or take a short rest. Keeping my environment needs help stay comfortable and productive. As the day slowly move toward evening, I usually take some time to myself. In the late afternoon, I like to exercise. One of my hobbies is playing basketball. I really enjoy this sport because it allows me to move freely, release stress, and have fun with my friends. Besides basketball, I also like running or jogging around the dormitory area with my friends. Running in the afternoon is one of my favorite activities after campus. It helped me clear my mind after a long day of studying. While running, I can reflect on my day, think about my goals, or simply enjoy the moment. Exercise also helps me stay healthy and maintaining my stamina, which is very important for a student a busy schedule. At around 6 p.m., it is time for dinner. I usually have dinner together with my friends at dormitory. Just like breakfast, dinner time is a moment of togetherness. We talk about our day, share stories, sometimes laugh about small things that happen. These simple moments make dormitory life more enjoyable and meaningful. After dinner, the atmosphere in the dormitory becomes calmer. People start preparing for the night activities. At night, I focus on doing my assignment, reviewing lessons, or preparing for the next day. The dormitory is usually quieter at night, which helps me concentrate better. Sometimes I'm study alone and sometimes I'm study with my friends. Studying together allows us to help each other and understand difficult topics more easily. After finishing my assignment, I attend the night assembly around 9 p.m. until 9:30 p.m. This activity is part of dormitory life and helps maintain discipline and order. After assembly, I take a shower so I feel clean, relaxed, and comfortable before going to bed. Before sleeping, I usually take a moment to reflect on my day. I think about I have learned what I did well and I can improve tomorrow. Life as dormitory student is not always easy, but it teaches me many valuable lessons and independence, responsibility, and time management. Every day feels like a small step toward becoming a better person. These activities are I usually do from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, my schedule is a bit more relaxed. I still wake up early and have breakfast with my friends, but after I usually go back to my room and rest until lunchtime around 12:30 p.m. After lunch, I often visit my friend's room. Sometimes we play games together and sometimes we work on college assignment as a group. In the evening, we have dinner and attend the night assembly as usual. On Sunday, my routine is different. I wake up early and take a shower right away. After that, I prepare myself, go to church. Going to church helps me feel calmer and grateful. After church, I usually look for good food around the dormitory. Once I finish eating, I return to the dormitory and rest until afternoon. If I have free times in the afternoon, I usually exercise again. After that, I take a shower, have a dinner, and prepare assignment for Mondays. Attend night assembly and get ready to sleep. That is a complete picture of a day in my life as a dormitory student at Polytechnic Energy and Mineral Akamigas at Cepu. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video give you a clear and meaningful insight to my daily routine. Bye bye.